Hello and welcome to this quick look and a demo of an air fryer by homgeek. Along with the unit there is an instruction manual as well as a very good looking cookbook in which you can find detailed recipes of how you can cook different types of foods with this air fryer. The air fryer is about 15 inches tall. It's about 13 inches in diameter, and it weighs 12 pounds altogether. There is a basket that goes inside the air fryer, and the basket comes off very easily, like so. The basket itself weighs 1 pound and 6 ounces, and the heat in this air fryer is generated from the heating element at the top. The air fryer uses 1700 watts. The vents on this air fryer are found in the back. The power cord is about 3 feet in length. Next we will plug it into power in our kitchen. The air fryer is now in its designated location in our kitchen, and it's very easy to operate. Once it's plugged in, it's in standby mode. You just turn it on from the digital touch panel, at which time you can select from the 8 different modes of French fries to meat, chicken, steak, cake, shrimp, fish, and then back to French fries. Each one of these modes already has a preset temperature and the length of time to cook that particular food for. So this is, for example, for meat. It will cook at 400 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. There is also an option of setting the temperature using the buttons on the right, or the length of time using the 2 buttons on the left. To run each one of the programs, just press the start button. Different options available with this air fryer are also shown on the panel itself. Overall, this air fryer worked really well for us, and this is also the end of the review. Thank you very much for watching.